Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to update American Megatrends BIOS. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, you might be wondering how to exactly update your BIOS. Now, updating your BIOS can be kind of complicated because if you accidentally apply the wrong update, this will actually break or will cause a lot of problems with your PC. So it is recommended that you still consult an actual IT technician to do the update for you because again, this one is really crucial. But if you want to do this for yourself, well, there is a way. Just be really careful. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to know information about your computer. So in this case, first thing you want to do is you want to go and just see what's your current BIOS or your current BIOS version. So to see that, you want to go to your search or you want to go and just press the following. It's going to be Windows R on your keyboard, and you should see the run option here. So at the bottom left, what you need to do is just type in MS Info 32 and just click on OK, and you should be able to see an information the current version on your for your BIOS. Go and copy that and just make sure that it's not or it's the current version because you'll be comparing that later on. So but in this case, once you have that information, you go ahead and close this one. Now, another thing that you need to understand here is that American Megatrends BIOS here or American Megatrends does not provide the updates directly on their website, but rather they provide the updates and they distribute the updates directly to whatever current motherboard you currently have. So if you have a laptop, you may want to go to the official website for your laptop and you want to go to the support page. Now this may be Asus or even another different platform or brand here. So again, depends on what your brand you're running on. But if you have a PC, let's just say you have an Asus motherboard, well, you need to go to Asus. Now, it's really important that you get the brand of your motherboard. This is where you'll be applying your updates. But yeah, so in Asus, you want to go just click on support at the top here. Again, it depends on you, depends on what brand you currently have. But yeah, so what you're looking for specifically is going to be a product in, let's just say, in the motherboard section, and let's go and just basically search for one. So let's go and just maybe search for one in here and see the results. Now, once you've searched for your current brand or the model for your motherboard, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and choose drivers and tools. Let's go and select one. And this will redirect you to the drivers. Now, what you're looking for is going to be the BIOS update for your motherboard. So let's go and choose BIOS and firmware. As you can see right now, it's going to redirect you to this page here, BIOS and firmware. Now, as you can see, this is for BIOS. You go and click on download. And it's going to download the zip file for us. So let's go and open this up in a new folder. Just gonna double click on this one. And as you can see, we have the .cap on inside that zip file. Now, what do you need to do? Well, first things first is you need to extract this copy first. Let's go ahead and just minimize this one. Now, you want to go ahead and extract the copy here in your desktop. Now, once you have the file in here, you want to go ahead and just make sure that the zip file is also next to it, because you'll be needing this later on. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and get one USB drive. Now, the USB drive should be at least like 16 gigabyte or 32 gigabyte, just to be on the safe side. But yeah, once you do have a USB drive, you want to go ahead and format that into FAT32. So it's a file system here. So just convert that into FAT32. And once you have those, you want to go and just copy these two files in here and basically transfer that inside the actual USB drive. Now, once you have those copied, what you need to do next is you want to go ahead and basically restart your computer. Click on restart here, and what you need to do is you want to go ahead and press on the delete key on your keyboard, or it actually depends on your motherboard as well, so it might be different depending on the brand. So it's usually going to be the delete key, and you should be able to see a specific screen or a specific menu when your computer actually boots up. Now, this is what you should be seeing in here. So typically what you're looking for here is, it actually depends on your BIOS, but what you're looking for is going to be Easy Flash or AM Flash. It depends on your PC or your current a laptop or PC right now. But yeah, So look for Easy Flash or On Flash, and from then on, you want to go and choose the option that says Update BIOS. And by the way, you want to make sure that again, your flash drive is actually connected, or it currently is connected on your PC, so that it actually can detect the files. But typically, once you do have selected Easy Flash and Flash, it will start and you selected the update BIOS option. Usually it will automatically start the update here, and you don't have to worry about it. But then again, it might ask you a bit of information here. Go ahead and select the appropriate one, select the files. But once you've done that, you want to go and just wait it out. Now, it is important that you don't restart your PC or you don't shut down your PC. Be really, really careful. If you shut down your PC while the update is ongoing, you will break your PC. So again, be really, really careful. Once you've done that, and once the update is complete, it will restart, and you should now have an updated BIOS. But yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.